You guys, it's Fun Weasel here today, bringing you another video on my Dodge Challenger. Ain't she purty? And today, guys, we're going to be putting in some inner headlight rings. These things are very high quality, you know, they're real nice, and they're made by Merrick Motors or Motorsport, whatever fancies you. And I'll leave a link in the description below. But anyway, guys, let's get straight into this video. To start this installation, you will have to remove the plastic piece that is inside of this inner headlight, which in all Challenger models, they are standard in the passenger side, but in the driver's side, they only come in the, not lower end models, but anything under a Hellcat, or I think under 2019, because after 19, they basically did away with these things. And this is what you're looking for. To remove these, all you have to do is pop the hood, remove that plastic cover that covers these headlights, reach your hand up under behind the headlight, and basically just peel these three prongs out, and this thing should just pop right out. And you can keep them if you want. I did, just in case I decided to ever trade in this car. The dealer can say, oh well, these things don't, you know, whatever, it's fine. But next step is, after you remove those plastic pieces, to get a towel, clean out the inside of the headlight, and make sure there's no dirt in there. That way this actually glides in really good and has a real nice tight fit and doesn't have any dirt or crap or any of this crap in it. So okay guys, after you've cleaned out the inside of your headlight, the fun part begins. You actually get to put these bad boys in. And just to satisfy all of you guys that like to do everything perfect, they do have set screw holes. I do not know what these are used for, but they are not used for this installation. If you really want to do more research, go right ahead, knock yourself out. But just full, you know, telling you that it has nothing to do with this installation. Okay guys, let's see if I can angle this camera properly. Okay. Now this bad boy just slides right in. Stand by. Okay, sorry about that guys. Things actually has a tight fit. You have to almost use two hands, or you do have to use two hands. That's why I put the camera down, but giving you a far out angle, that's what it looks like. Yeah, I know it's not the exact color, don't judge, you know, you can get what you can, but that is what this is the driver's side, obviously, and that bad boy looks sexy as hell. Okay, now for the passenger side. Okay guys, passenger side is the same thing. Clean it out, and then, you know, put your intake in. Yes, I know there's not a tube connecting this to the intake. Shut up. I know, I still have to get an intake tube. If you leave a comment on it, on, you know, why there's not a tube in there, there's your answer. I'm working on it. Shut up. I'm broke. All my money goes into this car. Passenger side in, you're obviously none. Or you can put in the passenger side and the driver's side. But my God, do these things look amazing. Just to get a zoom in right there, what it looks like. And like I said, these all come in different colors and all that good stuff. So if you have a gray Challenger and you're looking to get a red insert, you can get those, of course, or gray or white or black. I think they make black, I'm not sure. But anyway guys, that's the video. And if you want to know how to remove these bad boys, just check out my other video and it'll explain it to you in that one. And I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks guys, subscribe, like, tune in next time.